Greetings. I'm excited to have the opportunity to demonstrate the many features of your learning platform with a focus not only on how to use the platform, but how to gain the most out of it. This learning platform was designed to be easy to use for end users with an intuitive approach. Over the years, many great features were added, so it doesn't hurt to get a little tour of things. And don't worry if you don't remember every point. There are help lessons just a click away. For starters, you can see here when you log in, you come right into a collection of channels based on subjects. Up at the top are featured lessons or courses that your administrator will put before you. The easiest way to get started is to pick a channel. Peruse and then pick a course, and then choose a lesson that you would like to watch. Now, if you aren't sure if this lesson is the one you want, you can always click to see the description note for that lesson. You can also see the length of the lesson, which will tell you how much of a time investment you need to spend. Once you're confident this is the lesson you want, click and learn. Now you'll note that you can adjust the size. You can favorite a lesson so that you can quickly find it again. You can turn on English closed captions, which will automatically translate into the language of your browser. However, we have also provided a transcript below the lesson with a translator that has 133 possible languages. If you've watched a lesson and are returning just to see the steps again, you might find the steps feature helpful because it can save you time and give you the step-by-step process. Now, if we go back to the table of contents for the lesson, you'll note there's an icon here to share the lesson. That icon is also available within the lesson itself. What this does is allow you to share that lesson with anyone you'd like. The link is valid for 7 days, so a colleague, a friend, a family member, if you think this will benefit them, share it. And here's the best part. They don't have to do anything on their part to watch it. No registration, no collection of their personal data. Just sit back and learn. You can see here we also have quizzes and exams. The quizzes are part of the learning process. If you answer a question incorrectly, it tells you which video you might want to watch again. All of this is untracked, so you're in a safe space to get a few wrong and improve before you go after that exam. Now, passing the exam will give you a certificate that you can print and hang for all to see. Now, sometimes you're looking for something specific. Rather than peruse through the library to look for your subject or task, use our search feature, which is built on smart search ideology. Here is an example. Let's say you want to learn about the VLOOKUP function in Excel. The search results show you the videos that will teach that to you based on what is assigned to your portal and to your user account. But notice here that there's a lesson called XLOOKUP. Well, that's a new function that replaces VLOOKUP. You didn't know that, but our smart search does. And so it gives you an opportunity to learn something new. One of the fun things about learning is being able to see your own progress over time. Under My Training, here in the menu to your left, you can see your progress. Here's where you can see all sorts of things, like if you have a learning path assigned to you or a drip campaign. I'll explain those in a moment. You can see some milestone cards, but if you really want to see your whole trophy room, just select here, and it shows you all of the milestones and digi-medals and digi-trophies that you've earned. Here are the points rules that tell you how many points you get for each action on the platform, and how it all adds up so you can reach new levels all the way up to Unicorn. Going back to the course library, you might notice there are courses on Windows, Office, M365, Teams, security awareness, and more. In addition, you might see channels and courses that your company has added in. This learning platform is extensible, and your administrators can add in video lessons and documents, whether it be a Word, PowerPoint, Excel document, or PDF, and they can do this through private channels. Private channels can be something like new employee training to help get folks up to speed on the company history, or HR requirements, or the top 10 help desk issues with a video or document to help move the needle on those problems. Whatever it is that the administration feels you need to learn, they can put it in a private channel. In addition to content created in-house, there may be videos online that provides an embed code that allows you to connect to, and your learning platform works with those codes. For example, these courses here are all based on YouTube. You can create courses using embed codes, and then, just like the base content already in your platform or content your company might add, all of that content is available for the users to benefit from. Now, I mentioned earlier that there are learning paths and drip campaigns. These are a great way for your administration to help put the training you need right in front of you. Learning paths are a collection of lessons that are chosen and assigned to you so that you can follow a path of learning. Drip campaigns are helpful reinforcement lessons that you might get once a week or month. Your administrator actually chooses the cadence, and you'll get an email reminder to ensure that you don't forget. And when you log in, you'll be told if you have any learning paths or drip campaigns you haven't finished. Other reminders in the platform might include notifications here to the right, or this flashing yellow dot to let you know that a new monthly security video is available, or if you have the Policy Manager feature turned on, an option to see compliance policies that you need to read and provide attestation that you read and agree with that policy. And one of the nice things about this platform is that whether you access it through a browser, as we have here, or through Teams, the experience is the same. You log in with a single sign-on and jump right into learning. Well, we hope you enjoyed that tour of the platform. Again, if we've moved a little too fast through the many features at your fingertips, don't worry. We have help lessons for everything, and they go into greater detail. Thanks for watching.